Do you have full self-driving capacity in Tesla? If not, Autosteer function is equally good. The Autosteer functionality is so meticulous and so perfect that it will make you think what would the full self-driving capability in the car can achieve and do. Not only it is reliable, it makes you feel safe, which to me is very important thing because you are relying on technology. So obviously it needs your attention. However, the way Autosteer works and the way it gives you confidence as a driver, you would be surely looking forward to having a full self-driving capability in your car.